Hello, in another episode of my Heinkel restoration blog. Today we will talk about the new carburator, which is Keihin one, not the Bing or not Palace. So I had the Bing carburator, but so I can show you. My needle is falling out. So what happened? The clip that was holding snapped in half, plus the whole throttle body had a big play. So actually, when the bike was running, it was just shaking and rattling. So I decided to go for a new carburetor. So this is piece. So you can see it should be like this. I should be holding the needle. I added some O-ring to reduce the vibrations, and I added some copper wire to keep it together. Last time it was actually one piece, and now when I open it, it's actually two pieces. So really strange riding experience. So back to the new one. So what I did, I had to slightly trim the housing of the throttle cable, because the piece that is inside was slightly too short. What meant that the throttle was not all the way down, so it was actually idling a bit higher. But by stripping about 3 millimeters of the housing of the cable, I managed to get the throttle body to be on the bottom. So now the bike is cold, so I will start it in a second. We have the regulation screw for the throttle body position, and we got a mixture screw. So currently I think this one is 1.5 turns out. This one is set for the quite low idle. You can see on the back here we have a choke. So to connect the carburetor with the intake, I used a 28 millimeter diameter, well, inside diameter silicone hose. I applied one clamp. There will be another one. I bought two of those, but actually I need slightly larger one because I cannot slide it on this part of the carburetor. So I will buy another one, slightly bigger than this. But the carburetor is quite well, to be honest. Despite the fact I even put a bit of silicone grease for easier fitment. The stock air filter is, I think, about 34-35 millimeter diameter. This one is 45, so I will have to make some adapter to reduce the size. You can buy some aftermarket air filters that will fit those, but those are all those tuned kind of air filters that I don't like. I would like to keep this part stock, so I will make something possibly from aluminium or from brass. No stainless, because it's aluminium, so stainless corrodes with aluminium. Alright, so now what I will do, I will show you how it works. So choke on, gasoline. Need to go to the reserve because it's a bit low on fuel. We go to the ignition. Alright, and bit low on RPMs. I think it runs quite smooth comparing to my previous experience with the Palace. I will turn it off. Alright, remember it's running without the air filter. Let's start it again. So choke is off, I'll put it on. Okay, maybe it's a bit too hard choke. Maybe it requires some adjustment on the mixture screw. You tell me. Wait. So idle is alright. A bit strange thing is happening when you suddenly open the throttle, unless you rev it to slightly higher idle, and then it seems to be alright. So things a bit of working with the mixture and maybe some jetting. I think the air filter would not. Well, it would be helpful to have it on. Maybe there's some strange vortex being created, but I think it will be alright. I will make another episode once I have the adapter for the air filter. That should be in 2 weeks, as I'm going for holidays now, and I will let you know. Thank you for watching.